Here's the wood, we need to select the 50 cubes, about 70 logs, big forest. There was not enough lumber for loading into wagon. Here is such I have a part-time job on 500 rubles, after work remained, arrive at in cash. Did you hit 2 logs? Yes, 2, let's blow up this stack. Help the slinger sort. What, we'll take it. Here's the wood, we need to select the 50 cubes. About 70 logs, big forest. Score 12 cubes, I guess. Still need 3 on so much same. We work with end crochets, now I will show them. Here are the hooks, they are divided into 4-meter logs, and 6 meters. Here, the load lifting crane took logs on sawing, on the sawmill P63. Here, we are on the rail car is not enough timber. Come on, put it down. Keep working.
О, мастер ходит. Они уже все привыкли, что я снимаю, хожу. Молодцы.
Over there, the sawmill foreman walks. Everyone is used to me making videos, well done.
О, гнилой попался.
Oh, you rotten pork. This log will go to someone for firewood.
Ну вот такой у меня, в общем, колым. После работы остался за 500 рублей.
Here is such I have a part-time job on 500 rubles, after work remained, arrive at in cash.
Нет, он говорит, завтра отдадим его пилить.
Я же говорю, это не бери оттуда,
Экспорта там нет.
Ты давай майну.
Но, пиздец. Это не бери, не надо, отсюда бери, оттуда. Это не трогай, сейчас трогай, оттуда все падает. Там вот еще... два блина, давай берем. Нет, не надо, не давай его оттуда. Вот оттуда вес.
Friends, if you want to see more of my translated videos, then go to the playlist that is now on the screen and please rate this video.